Welcome to the How-To video series by Massey Ferguson. In this video, we'll explore together how to import and use a prescription map in shapefile format on the Datatronic 5 and FieldStar 5 terminals. Prescription maps allow you to adjust the application rates of your isobus implement, whether for spreading, seeding, or fertilizing. To use them, you need an implement compatible with variable rate application. These maps in shapefile format are typically created using specialized software called FMIS, or Farming Management Information Software. Once the map is created, transfer it to a USB drive to import it into your terminal. Begin by inserting the USB drive into the terminal and accessing the document management page via the main menu. Ensure that the active connection type is set to USB, then press OK. Next, go to the Data Exchange menu at the bottom right of the screen. Select the Shapefile filter. Now choose the file to import. Use the buttons in the center of the screen to complete the transfer. Once the file is imported, you must link it to a work task to make it usable. Without this association, the map cannot be used. This task will record the actual application data, such as the rates effectively applied by your isobus implement. Once exported, the task will allow you to generate an application map, which is ideal for analyzing or documenting your operations. To create a task, go to the Task Management menu from the main menu and click the plus button. Enter a name, confirm it, and review the data that will be associated with this task. Next, select the input box corresponding to the tank or application type for which you want to apply the prescription map. Add the map and view it directly on the terminal, complete with its legend. The shapefile format enables customization of specific parameters, such as the application type, unit, or rate scale. Adjustments you make can be saved as reusable templates. These saved templates are accessible through a dedicated drop-down menu, making it easy to reuse them for future applications. Once your settings are finalized, click OK to validate and apply your choices. To start your activity, press Record. During the operation, you can monitor the impact of your prescription map by displaying different application layers on your guidance map. Open the menu on the right side of the screen, select Settings, and then access the Layers menu. You can choose to display the As Applied layer to visualize the actual rates applied by the isobus tool, or the prescription map layer, which shows the planned rates. These views allow you to compare actual applications with the prescriptions. During your activity, use the shortcut in the top bar of the guidance map to pause or resume recording at any time. A long press on this shortcut opens a dedicated menu where you'll find key information about your task. Once the activity is complete, stop the recording. Then, go to the Transfer Settings menu to select your transfer mode. You can choose USB for manual transfer or GPRS for automatic transfer via the cloud. Finally, click Close Task to complete the process. The data will then be exported and available in the USB Tasks menu or sent directly to your computer. And that's it. You now know how to use a prescription map on your Datatronic 5 and FieldStar 5 terminals. Now it's your turn to try.